Hi, everybody at Maple Ridge. This is Mrs. Yotzi, the nurse. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit today about germs and about hand washing and how important it is to wash our hands. So we are going to get started here. All right, and we have germs and hand washing. And first of all, what are germs? They are a living organism, which means they are alive and they're also very, very small. They're so small that we can't see them. The only way you can see them is with a microscope, which allows you to see them under a very magnified view. So they're extremely tiny. And there's also very, very many different kinds of germs. So no two germs are the same. And where do germs live? Well, actually everywhere. They can live anywhere, basically. They can live inside your body, and there's also ways that they can get on the outside of your body. And they also just live in our environment. They can live on different objects and surfaces. They can live inside our homes, or they can even be outside. And what do germs do? They get inside our bodies, and when that happens, they can make us feel sick. Sometimes our bodies fight off the germs until they are all gone, and then we feel better again. Sometimes we might need to go to the doctor to get some medicine, and that medicine will help our bodies get rid of the germs so we can feel all better again. And since there are so many different germs, sometimes germs can make us feel a little bit sick, and sometimes different kinds of germs can make us feel a lot sick. And how do germs spread? They spread from one person to another person, and they do that several different ways. Germs can be inside our mouths, like in our spit, and they can be inside our noses, and they can make their way out whenever we sneeze or cough. And when that happens, that sends them out of our bodies. And if they are able to get on somebody else, they might get into that other person's body. Also, if we have like a runny nose and we wipe our nose with our hand or with our arm, that can have the germs escape. And then the germs are now on our hands or on our arms. So it's always a good idea to try to use a tissue instead of just your hand when you wipe your nose. And the most common way that germs spread is from our hands. Usually, we just have germs on our hands that we don't even know. And whenever we touch other things or touch other people, like shake somebody else's hand, we might accidentally have the germs go from our hands to their hands. Well, how do we get rid of germs? The number one way to get rid of germs is hand washing. That is the best way to stop germs from spreading. Also, we can try to sneeze or cough into our elbow. So when we do that, we're not accidentally sneezing our own germs into our hands. We're trying to keep our hands clean. And also, we can use a tissue to blow our nose. Some hand washing steps. Number one, we have to turn on the sink, get the water running. Number two, get soap. Number three, wash your hands. Number four, turn off the water. Number five, dry your hands on a towel or paper towel. And number six, throw away your garbage or throw away your paper towel that you used. And always work hard to do a great job. Washing your hands is one of the best ways to stop the spread of germs. So always use soap. It's not good enough to just try to use water because the germs won't all go away. You have to use soap to make sure you're really getting your hands clean of germs. Lather your hands really good with the soap and then scrub them for about 30 seconds. Or you can sing happy birthday to yourself 2 times And after you're done, then you know that you've scrubbed them long enough. And then it's time to finally rinse them clean with the water. And then, of course, dry them with a towel. All right, that is it for today, little eagles. I hope that you will try to remember to wash your hands at home really good and follow those steps that we talked about. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.